Good morning, welcome to the Professor Dwar Show. Hope your morning is okay. Mine is okay on this Sunday morning. It's nearly 10 a.m. in Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya. So today I'm going to show you African wood cutting. So my friend here is cutting some wood. So I want to show you. He's cutting. As you can see. Say hi, Edwin. Say hi. Say mabari. Yeah. So I want to show you him cutting wood. As you can see, he's cutting wood, preparing it for charcoal that can be used for cooking. So I'll let you watch him. So that's how we cut wood in Africa. He's using, what are you using? That is called what? An axe. Hiyo inaitwaje kwa Kiswahili? Hiyo natumia inaitwaje kwa Kiswahili? It's called a shoka in Kiswahili, but in English it's an axe. And he's cutting the wood. This is a tree that was felled. So he's preparing the wood, he's cutting the wood, then he's going to go and burn it for charcoal. So ukisha choma inachukua siku ngapi? So when he burns the wood, the charcoal, it will take 2 days, and it's used for jikos. So let you watch him as he works. So you see, you have to use strength. Yeah, you can watch him. So here in Africa, we use manual. Everything is manual. So this is also a skill. He knows how to cut trees and also prepare wood for charcoal. So this wood will be burned, and then after 2 days it will make charcoal that will be used in a cooking jiko, where you can cook everything. So it's continuing. So continue watching, enjoy. So in Africa, we have to use a lot of strength in things. See, my friend Edwin is really using strength, using the axe. Here in Africa, we do a lot of manual work. So enjoy the video as you watch cutting firewood. If you do the same in your country, please put in the comment box down there. Do you cut wood? Do you use charcoal in your homes? Please tell us. Do you use firewood in your country? Please tell us. To cut wood like that. That one you need strength. Even me, I cannot do it. I don't have the strength like Edwin. Edwin is a very strong man. This is what makes people strong in Africa. Manual work, hard work. Here in Africa, if you don't work, you don't eat. So Edwin works to eat. Here everything is hard work. So you can see him doing so this will be prepare good charcoal. So how many bags of charcoal, Edwin? 3. So this wood is cut. So 3. So it will make 3 wood. 3. So inatoa gunia 3. So we are speaking Kiswahili. Edwin anasema hii inatoa gunia 3. That means that he's saying this wood will give us 3 bags. Na bag moja ya charcoal ni pesa ngapi? Gunia 2,000. Imagine around $20. So he's also lifting he's also showing you that he's strong. He's lifting the wood that he's cutting. I hope you in your countries you can do that. You are cutting wood, you're lifting it to show that you can do what? Yeah, he's lifting as he works. So enjoy my friend Edwin, enjoy entertaining you as he cuts the firewood. Yes. And then let's talk about malas shida umo. Yeah, good. So endelea tuchapa tu kazi yako. Waone vile unakata ambao. Siku moja nitakufungulia YouTube. YouTube sasa ndio kuna pesa. Wewe unafanya tu kazi yako na unaonesha watu. Na watu wanakuona na unalipwa pesa ya bure. Imagine pesa ya bure. Hata mtu anakuona Amerika. Na unalipwa pesa ya bure. So see Edwin is working hard. Is working hard. Edwin anafanya kazi. Kufanya work here is called kazi in Kenya. So when you say kazi, it means work. So anafanya kazi kwa nguvu. He's working hard. Anafanya kazi kwa nguvu. He's working hard. You see? This is hard work. Hard work. Hard work. What? Wood, this is the Professor also. We're showing you how we cut wood for charcoal. Yes. Cutting firewood. Africa, cutting firewood. Cutting firewood. Yeah. Edwin of Russia, one over the channel. So Edwin is cutting firewood. He's also carrying it. He's making you enjoy. He's doing, it's called what, exercise as he cuts the wood. So me, I always tell you, Africa men are strong. Because Africa, you have to work hard to be strength. Imagine he's cutting firewood, lifting it. How many of you can do that one? So let me allow you to enjoy. Ngado wazo mudalu wanyo David. Bona abantu ba comedy. Mumbona ngebyawe jalango. Sokolanga nesa jalango. Ndu ninyi sinanu ni MP. Ni MP wala ngati. Alafu jakoya. Sasa. Ngoba ni jakoya kanda mbona gani? Yusa mbe picha. Yeah. Nani wenye kule kamera kama inonani kata ilifu kisasa bachukuba kamera enda ikama if record nani ndumira kwa WhatsApp ni kulifutira ku YouTube Nako muchange wa YouTube achokucha alangwa nkodi mwezi arizande vituko kamera bona nwijenda runde simu nofungula YouTube wabasungu bakubasa edifu bakubasa YouTube channel atago yesa arizande vituko kamera oyo kwanza wende mundu ndi FA akingasi mesa kujisita kumungu. So good. If you like what you have been watching, send something on the mobile phone given there. and as I always say, kwaheri ya kuonana, kwaheri.